Hi everyone, this is Kathy Lean with your crypto outlook for the week. You can see that right now we're looking at Bitcoin, which is moving lower and it's at its lowest level since July 18, so more than a month. Let's take a look at this in detail. Taking a look at Bitcoin, it's broken to the downside. The next level of support for Bitcoin, which loves to gravitate to swing highs, swing lows, is going to be about 18,900, probably just 19,000 even. It looks like it wants to get there as Bitcoin and the crypto market follows the broader indices lower because we had a sharp sell-off on Friday after the Jackson Hole Symposium. So I think we could get further weakness. That's what I'm looking for as a potential. And I think, there's a very good chance, the sell off that we see on Friday could continue in the front of the week. With Ethereum, we see very similar price action. The strongest candle we've had or the biggest candle we've had all week. There is some support in Ethereum at around 1550, which is right around where the 100 SMA is, as well as these swing lows. But with Ethereum, we have these big moves, especially if it ends the day at the lows. There's a very good chance that we can get at least a quick, easy test of 1500. Binance, we're finally seeing breakouts in some of the other coins. Binance is also moving lower, but still in this overall range, trapped between the 100 SMA and the 20 SMA. I do expect it to test the bottom of the range at around 270, but I'm also not expecting it to move much more beyond that. I think that there's a very good chance we could see the possibility of Binance just staying in this range. AVAX, I love the way AVAX is trading. It's below all of the major moving averages. That's really good to see. We also have support at the swing low and the round number of 20. The swing low is actually at 1950. I think that, we're moving lower. I think I like the way AVAX is trading. If you're a bear like me, I think it could continue to move a bit lower. And we may even see this 1950 level broken on the near term. I know a lot of people look at the crypto market on a long-term basis, but there's still plenty of opportunities in the short term, and I do believe this one could move lower. Litecoin also below all the major moving averages, which I love. 5250 is near-term support. I think there's no chance it's not going to test it, or very little chance it's not going to test it. I think it's going to test it. I think it's going to come down. I think, that's what I'm looking for in terms of weakness for Litecoin. Solana is already at a significant new low. Solana is currently at this chart is trading at its lowest level since July. And, the next support level is basically in June at 3080. It's moving lower. I think it will continue to move lower. I think it's a very good chance we could see further weakness in the front of week trade. Polkadot is also selling off with the rest of the broader crypto market, but we've got support at Polkadot at 7. It's important to realize as interest rates rise, this is creating a tighter funding market, and that tighter funding market, a more expensive funding market, is generally speaking very bearish for crypto. Cardano also moving lower. Support is down about 43 cents. I think, we could see it there. Ripple, bears love to see this huge wick in the candle, and it signals that we could get down to 32 cents in Ripple. Last but certainly not least, Doge. It's also moving lower, and it's dropped to its lowest level also since July. If it closed below at these levels, there's a very good chance that in the short term, I'm looking for at least a move here to 6178, which is a sizable move for Doge. So I think Doge, we've got some nice downside target. We're finally moving lower. Let's take a look at what Crypto Crusher is giving us in terms of trading signals. Let me just log on to the dashboard real quick. With Crypto Crusher, with the top 10 tokens, we only have one Binance trade to the downside, And so, that is obviously working out very well. And we could potentially see Binance hit that profit target. Crypto Crusher gives out trade ideas every day. And so, I encourage you to check out bkcryptocrusher.com in terms of the scanner in general. We've got, if you look at this, we've got a number of short trades that have hit profit target, like like Tron, Algorand, Loopring, and are continuing to move lower towards the second target level. This is Kathy Lee with BK Crypto Crusher. I wish you all a great trading week.